Hi, everybody. Yeah, we've had some great successes with our students over the last while. With the slide that we have up here, we were able to take part in a competition 2 weeks ago that was held by Maritime Beauty here in Halifax. And shown here is one of our students, Trevante Lucas, who competed in the King of the Clipper competition and placed third. We're very, very proud of him. He did some amazing work, and hopefully we'll see him back in the limelight again to compete moving forward in his career. He does practice as a barber as well, and we're very fortunate to have him here with us, trying to complete his cosmetology license so that he can broaden his spectrum of what he's capable of doing within the industry. Next up, we have Ashley Corkum, who's another student. Ashley competed in the Maritime Beauty show as well in the updo competition. She did some fabulous work that evening as well. She placed third overall, and we're really, really proud of her. And then we have Daphne Sherrard. Daphne is one of our students who competed in the skills competition as well as the Maritime Beauty show. At the Maritime Beauty show, she placed second overall in the updo competition with her beautiful work. And at the skills competition, she placed second overall. She came first in the men's hair cutting portion, came second in the updo portion, and second in the ladies cut and color part as well, and came away second overall. So we're super proud of her. It's our first time from CBBC competing at skills in the hair portion. So yeah, it was a big achievement there. And lastly, we have Monique Ryan, another one of our fabulous students, competed at the skills competition and the Maritime Beauty show as well. Monique placed first overall at the Maritime show for her updo, gorgeous work, and made us very proud. And then she competed at skills and placed first overall in that competition. She placed third in the updo portion, second in the men's cutting portion, and then first with the ladies cut and color portion, and actually won best color overall in the whole competition. So yeah, we came away with first and second at skills, and then first, second, and third at the Maritime show. So we're really, really proud of our students with that. And then Trey pulling out the third place with the Clipper competition. So it was awesome. Proud moment, I'll tell you that.